Let us begin. Ta-da-da-da! Hello friends! Today we shall learn how to draw your nameplate, a very different type of a nameplate. Okay? Here you will be drawing your nameplate with nature elements or the elements found in nature. Ta-da-da-da! We have many things in nature and we can make good use of them to draw a creative nameplate. So be ready with your pencil, eraser, black sketch pen and pastels. Here we begin. We shall draw a natural element, say mushroom. To draw a mushroom, first draw a basic shape, triangle-like shape as shown here. Before you draw its base, draw a curve-like shape which makes the mushroom look real. Draw a rough base of the triangle-like shape and two more curves below it to form the big stem of mushroom. Now draw an oval kind of shape below it for the ground on which our mushroom stands. Hey, that was easy. Let us take another natural element, a butterfly. You can draw this on the left side near the top as shown here. Start with the basic shape of butterfly, then a dot for its eye and two curves ahead to show its antennae. We then draw small lines on its body. Now draw its wings in this way. Wow! Let us also make circles as spots on its wings. The right side of mushroom looks empty. We will fill this space with another of nature's element, a human being. Okay, let us draw your face since this is your nameplate. For your face, draw a circle and two lines in it to show the hairstyle. Make two dots for eyes, two little lines for eyebrows, a very thin line for nose, and a big curve with dots at the end for your cute smile. Now draw lines here for the hair. I don't know if you are a boy or a girl. This will be your face if you are a boy. And if you are a girl, you can draw two ponytails over here with lines inside. Hey, you look nice! On the left side below, we can draw a flower which is nature's beautiful gift to us. For that, draw a small circle and with the help of oval shapes, draw petals around the circle. Flower comes with leaves and so we make 4 leaves, 2 on either side of the flower to make it look real. I'm sure this was very easy to draw. Let us add some circles or spots on the mushroom to make it look nice. Friends, the most important part of this drawing is your name or whatever you want to write on this nameplate. So, draw 4 lines on the left section of the mushroom which has quite some space. You may write your name or something like my room on it. To give you a rough idea, it will look like this after writing. Make 2 holes on the sides of this nameplate. You can join the holes with a string as shown here and hang it on your room's door. Your pencil sketch is now ready. We will outline the nameplate with a black sketch pen. Start with the butterfly. Next, move to the mushroom. Our mushroom is big, so it will take a little more time to outline it. While drawing outline for the mushroom, be careful to leave a part of it where the girl's face appears. Now, draw outline of the girl's face. Hair, eyes and eyebrows, smile, ponytails and ears. Come back to the mushroom and outline its spots. Also outline the hanging holes. Flowers, leaves. Draw a few lines on the leaves to make them look real. Lastly, outline the stem of the mushroom and the ground. The outline is ready. Gently erase all the pencil marks. You can also erase the name and lines around it. We can later write the name with color. Okay then, time to use our lovely pastel colors. First of all, use the color pink for mushroom. Start from the outline and slowly go on coloring inside. While you color the mushroom, let me remind you to always practice basic shapes. You must have observed how many basic shapes are used in this picture. Our videos on drawing exercises will help you practice these basic shapes. Next, take a little darker shade of pink to color the inside of the mushroom, the stem and the spots. For the ground, use the green color as shown here.
With dark green crayon, draw straight lines on ground to add beauty like you.
Color the butterfly's wings with bright orange and use yellow for its face. You can use yellow and red for the stripes one after the other as shown here, and the spots. Now we move to the cute girl's face. Color her face with skin color and her hair with yellow. As for the flower, color the petals with blue color. Be careful because the petals are narrow. You can make the inside of the flower yellow in color. The leaves are of course green. Take a lighter shade so that it does not mix with the ground color. I know you are waiting to write my room on the nameplate. Okay, take a bright red color and write in a nice stylish way. My room. Wow, this nameplate looks so nice. Let us make it more beautiful. Make some shading using a darker shade of pink on the right side of mushroom and on its stem. Yes, it does look so much nicer. Hey friends, I'm sure you enjoyed choosing the elements from nature and making a beautiful composition for your nameplate. You can pick any natural element and use it to draw various types of nameplates. Whenever your friends or relatives will wish to enter your room, the first thing they will see is the beautiful nameplate made by you. When they will praise you, I'm sure you will tell them where you learned this different idea from. Bye friends, we'll see you soon with more such fun drawings. Keep practicing. Ta-da-da-da. Bye-bye.